Hey guys, we are back in another American Truck Sim video. Today we're doing Walmart. We're going from Huntsville, Alabama to Macon, Georgia. I believe that's how you pronounce it. To the old Walmart. Obviously we're doing Walmart. We are doing reefer today. We're hauling frozen fruits. 33,000 pounds frozen fruits. And yeah, let's get her done. Now it has the older Walmart logo font style on the trailer, but save money, live better, it's close enough. But yeah, we're in a Freightliner Cascadia. So yeah, let's get her done. So before we go, it looks like we're gonna go 565 onto I-65, get off at Birmingham onto I-20 through Georgia, through Atlanta. That sucks. Go through Atlanta and then we'll cut on to 75. So we'll go from 20, 285, 285, I-75, cut down, turn. So 65 to 75. Okay. 75 will then, yeah, 75 cuts down. About, I think it's the Lake Cities right here. Get down to Gainesville. Oh yeah. So, but yeah, we're only going, I got distracted, to Macon. But it's a 331 mile trip, 5 hours. We should make it there on time. We are governed to 65. So, yep. Let's get her done. But before we go, I need to set up my mirrors. I set my seat up, but not my mirrors up. So it's better to do this now than later. All I do is pull them in a little closer to the truck. It gives me a better reference when it comes to backing and driving in general. I can see better. I only change the bottom ones of the mirror fine. Ones up top. Cut out the gear. I think we're good. It's raining, so I have my lights on. Windshield wipers set to auto. Nothing much I can do about the rain. But the reefer is running. I can see the green light on the trailer, which is great. Cascadia's turned decent, I would say. T680 Cascadia is really rivaling. Cascadias are good. I like them. T680s too. They're both good trucks. I ain't much of a Peterbilt fan. Packard, did you know DAF? You know, we're not, this ain't a Euro Truck Sim video, but DAF, the European company, is owned by Packard, which owns Peterbilt and Kenworth. Because I looked it up today, because I saw one of those content creators on Facebook that drives a Europe truck. Actually, I need to stand this side. And it was a DAF, and I saw the steering wheel, and the button layout was just like a 2014 T680 and 2014 579. Stained button layout. Looked it up, Packard. Now, Daimler Trucks, which owns Freightliner, Western Star, they own Mercedes-Benz. But I don't really see a comparison in their trucks. Scania is unfortunately owned by International, but I like Scania. I don't like International trucks. I'm not. Now, I talk crap about International because that's all I've ever heard about those trucks in my life. Are you letting me go? Appreciate it. So they're crappy, the engine sucks. Now, Scania can be a piece of garbage. I don't live in Europe. I'm American. Don't matter. So, but DAF is a company I can definitely consider getting behind. Ooh, we're not doing too good up this hill. There it goes. We're heavy, but we're not that heavy. I mean, we do have a Detroit in it today. It's a bigger Detroit. It's a 455 horsepower Detroit diesel. So this thing should rip with I think what's killing it is a 12-speed Detroit transmission. Detroit does good on their trucks, but I don't know about real life. your standard 4th gen though. I don't know. I really do prefer the old school analog gauge over digital. Our speed 43. Speed. Especially when it's 70. All I can do is 65, which is fine. It's only 500. Turn up Birmingham. That'll be our first big turn of the trip. It's been a while since I recorded, since like last Thursday. Because that video set up across the Tennessee River. I didn't film yesterday. What's today? It's Sunday. This is coming on Monday. It's the good old Tennessee River. But I didn't have a video out. I didn't have time to film it for Sunday. Plus, I ended up the week. Just didn't want to record Friday. Sunday, so I'll have a video for tomorrow because tomorrow I'm probably going to be busy. Tomorrow, if I do get in, I'll film for Tuesday. But I can always film on Tuesday. There's a train way over there. I don't know. No, we're catching up to it. Unfortunately, I can't race the train. It's not professional. Dodge City. Hope that's a different Dodge City. Hopefully they didn't make a wrong turn. I honestly think I made that joke last time because I went down 65 last time in the Walmart truck. Peterbilt 579 next gen. I think I made that same exact joke saying I made a wrong turn. I'm in Kansas. I think I remember that. All good though. I want to yap about YouTube. I've been seeing these same stupid videos on YouTube Shorts. I've honestly switched fully over to Facebook videos. So, yeah. That's, I mean, it's either like, subscribe to me, I want to feel like I'm famous. Stupid Harley trends, Tiv and Dominator videos, El Reno videos, random weather videos. Like, I don't even care about weather no more. Like, I don't want to see it. It's not even truck videos. That's what I like about Facebook. It only shows me stuff I want to see. Truck videos and cool pickup truck videos. Preferably Super Duties. And some OBS Chevys. That's what it shows me. It shows me cool stuff. I did see a cool video I didn't know Cletus filmed. It was about him, people say this video was on his second channel, was to show people not to mess with him. Well, Cletus, this may get my video taken down, whatever, not many people see my videos. He, freaking decided his brother had an old turbo because he had his turbo switched on his brand new Super Duty. I think he said it had less than 500 miles. Well, they were doing a video at the range shooting their guns. Cletus has an automatic, and he freaking unloaded it on his brother's new pickup truck bed. And then to fix the damage, him and Squirrel cut it out and put drywall there and painted it green. Or whatever, the Ford color they called it. It was funny as crap. It's the most like freaking botched thing ever, but hey, his brother was fine with it, so I guess that's good. Trying to tip. Freaking first of all, why would you shoot on a brand new truck? Second of all, his brother even put a bullet hole in the freaking side of it. But like, honestly, if Cletus shot a freaking hole through my truck, I wouldn't be mad. I'd be like, do it, just do it, whatever. It adds style. No matter how new the truck is, it was a 2026, it adds style to it. It's a story, it's unique. There's a 389. But talk about this all the time. I don't know if I talk about it on YouTube, but I do in person more. I remember the first race he did, the ARCA, Daytona. I think it was a 200 mile. And I remember he wrecked. It was like, it was the bad one. It was the big one. He smashed into the car, destroyed the front. I didn't know crap about NASCAR. That was a big wreck to me. I thought he died. No, he was just fine. Now, I've gotten into NASCAR. I've seen worse wrecks. And I know people are fine, but that freaked me out. I thought I just lost witness to him. No. He's a legend. He came out. He was revving around Daytona like a bald eagle, but a lot of people... I mean, I think the interview was better than that race. And I remember also at the end of that race, I think the second and third wrecked each other past the finish line, wrecked each other out. But, yeah. I watch his races here and there. I need to start watching the truck race, because I'm also a Brendan Queen fan. Butterbean, that's what his nickname is, Butterbean Queen. I remember last year, it was so funny. Just watching him freaking win was hilarious as crap. It's not working, I lost it. Because of how he said stuff. It was so funny. Stupid. This truck's getting 9.2 miles from the gallon. Oh my god. Discovered this weekend, Mr. Sam has a YouTube channel, and his brother Parker has a YouTube channel. Mr. Sam's channel is cool. He's got the Supra. They all got their channels. Oh, we're almost to the Georgia line. That's cool. I didn't check for way stations, but I don't think there's any. It's already 5 p.m. I know it stopped raining, but I'm just keeping my lights on because why not? In Georgia. Now, I'm not sure if this Walmart we're delivering to is a store or a warehouse. I'm not sure. Maybe if I can get the second gen, the 125 John Deere truck, if I find a Walmart skim board, I'll get one of the old school Walmart trailers and do an old school Walmart truck run. Not old school, but, you know, no longer in service kind of trucks and trailers. You know, I joke with a lot of people. I say, because I'm such a bad driver on here, I'm like, I hope and pray no trucking company ever finds this channel. Because they will watch one of these videos and see how good of a driver I am, and they're not going to hire me. And I'll say, no. Yeah, no. Draymond, brother. Why am I getting over in fast lane? I need to get over here. Ooh, don't slow her down, too, because this is an easy way to flip. There's a bull hauler in front of us. Is it one of ours? I don't really see bull haulers out and about. No, it's not, because I don't have any garages in Alabama. And it's a FLD. I don't ever see bull haulers like this out, like, spawning in the air. Looks like one of my trailers, kind of. No, because mine are different. Stay in the middle lane. It's best to be in the middle lane on 3-way. Because if it ends, I'll be in the slow lane. People can pass on both sides and face traffic will come to the interstate. They do not have to worry about I did make a wrong turn. Hold on, check. I could have... Why? I guess this is a faster route. Or we could have turned... We could have gotten off here. Taken that. But I guess this is a faster route. There's only 74 more miles, so I don't know why I'm complaining. Look at that. Doubles. Does this mean there's no passing? It's a nice tunnel, though. Hold on. You know we gotta do this.
Oh, this is a big Walmart store. Holy cow, look at it. Freaking from the interstate all the way over there. This thing's huge. I wonder if they're delivering there. They got a different Walmart trailer than me. delivering just past dark. Alright, you're turning out going. Volvo trucks. Stop. I guess there's a traffic light, railroad, turning right here into this big freaking Walmart parking or center, Walmart super center. It's huge. Supermarket's right next door. I like this Walmart. It's cool. We'll back her up. Yep, just here, Walmart. I think you don't want them here delivering frozen foods. Yeah, it's cool. It's like a storage unit too. I've learned in the past not get close to that building because you'll rip the freaking trailer open. Real life, you would. You just take damage. All right. Big of a freaking facility. I'm not going to be able to do what I wanted to necessarily. So, I do put this wall on here. So, about these walls, kind of want to get over here. Now, what sucks about these walls, this is why you want to get over it. Hold on, stop, get out the shed. Is because I'm actually going to get closer. So when you go to turn back in, you don't have to worry about the wall. Not necessarily just when I turned earlier too. So now that's what I hate about the rotating camera mod is that right there. This is a different plan. So actually, what I'm going to do, turn around, I'm going to approach it like I did earlier, differently. I think this is how straight and this is not a good at all. Honestly, I don't want to say I just did this, but this is difficult. Maybe for a truck driver this would be easy, but I ain't a truck driver. Because I can't. I'm honestly gonna have to probably check it out on this. Yeah, I'm just gonna skip it because I'm gonna sit there for a while and do it. Not worth it. Well, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I am so sorry that I was not able to do that right and back it right, but it's okay. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Bye.